Now that we've understood the basic concepts of DBT, let's move a step further. In this next section, we'll focus on how DBT projects are actually structured and used in real-world scenarios. We'll discuss important topics like project structure, sources, staging models, MARTs, incremental logic, and how DBT helps manage data quality at scale. First question: what is a DBT project structure? Answer: a DBT project is organized into folders that separate logic, configuration, and assets. Key folders include models, tests, macros, snapshots, seeds, and analysis. This structured layout helps teams maintain clean, scalable, and readable projects. Standard structure makes onboarding new team members easier and faster. Second question: what is the purpose of the ref function in DBT? Answer: ref is used to reference one DBT model from another. It automatically builds dependencies and determines execution order, ensures correct schema and table names across environments, helps DBT generate lineage graphs and manage model relationships safely. Third question: what are sources in DBT? Answer: sources represent raw data tables coming directly from databases or external systems. Defined in YAML files with metadata like freshness and column descriptions. Allow testing of raw data before transformations begin. Improve transparency and trust by clearly separating raw and transformed data. Fourth question: what is a staging layer in DBT? Answer: the staging layer cleans and standardizes raw source data, handles basic transformations like renaming columns and typecasting, maintains a 1-to-1 relationship with source tables for traceability, acts as a stable foundation for all downstream transformations. Fifth question: what are MARTs in DBT? Answer: MARTs are final, business-ready models used for reporting and analytics. Designed around business entities such as sales, customers, or finance. Optimized for performance and easy consumption by BI tools. Represent trusted, single source of truth, datasets. Sixth question: what is DBT run versus DBT build? Answer: DBT run executes only the models in the project. DBT build runs models, tests, snapshots, and seeds together. DBT build is commonly used in production pipelines. Helps ensure data quality and completeness in a single command. Seventh question: what is model configuration in DBT? Answer: model configurations control behavior like materialization, schema, and tags. Can be defined inside SQL files or in dbt_project.yml. Helps customize performance and storage behavior per model. Enables environment-specific control without changing core SQL logic. Eighth question: what are DBT tags and why are they used? Answer: tags are labels assigned to models, tests, or snapshots. Used to selectively run or test specific parts of a project. Helpful for organizing large projects and managing environments. Commonly used in CI/CD pipelines for targeted execution. Ninth question: what is incremental model logic? Answer: incremental models process only new or updated records after the first run. Use conditional logic with is_incremental in SQL. Significantly reduce runtime and warehouse cost on large datasets. Ideal for event data, logs, and continuously growing tables. 10th question: how does DBT support data quality and governance? Answer: enforces testing rules to catch errors early in the pipeline. generates documentation and lineage for transparency, uses version control to track changes and approvals, supports standardized, auditable, and reliable data practices across teams. Thank you for watching ZoomInData. Subscribe and follow for more content.